We made it to the overlook of Dinosaur Ridge.
Now, it's very obvious why it's called Dinosaur Ridge. It looks like a giant Stegosaurus back. Boom, 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 rugged mountaintops next to each other all the way down to the valley floor.
From here, you can see Korea's East Sea, which sits between Korea and Japan. This is a popular spot for hikers to stop for lunch. Our lunch is kimbap, a rice and seaweed roll popular with local hikers. It's not uncommon to make new friends and share some food along the trail.
So we've got some carrots in there, some seaweed, some rice. It's really good.
Before we know it, we're experiencing Jeong, that sense of communal harmony So Lim taught us about yesterday. Dozens of people are sharing their food with us, smiling, laughing, and making us all feel welcome.
What is this?
Fried egg.
Fried egg?
Yeah,
Ooh.
not boiled. Fried.
Fried?
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
Pumpkin candy.
It's a little sticky, but it's delicious.
Look at all this food over there.
Healthy
Yes.
food. Yeah.
Very healthy.
Yeah.
Perfect for a long hike like this.
Yeah.
This is how you have a meal.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This is what it's all about. We sat down to have a meal together. Before you know it, we're friends, we're chatting. I'm trying all this amazing food. This is awesome.
After a great hour of sharing and making new friends, we're back on the trail, feeling rested, full, and happy.
It's always amazing to me that even in another country where you don't speak the same language, you can make friends so easily.
All of these people knew that we were not from around here. We didn't speak the same language. They came with open arms. They were throwing all different sorts of candies and nuts and drinks, just welcoming us into this incredible Korean hiking culture.
We have about 3 miles to go before we reach our shelter.
Hey!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So we need 2 bunks,
Yeah,
2 of us, and then 2 blankets.
two blanket.
All right.
Two blanket.
Great.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Since other hikers are already asleep, we're keeping our voices down as we settle in for the night.
So this is a shelter. We've got these 2 little slips where we're gonna sleep tonight, and there's gonna be a bunch of other people next to us.
This is really part of the Korean hiking culture. You can find these shelters anywhere that you've got massive mountains and amazing hikes.
We've got another really big hike waiting for us tomorrow, so it's gonna be imperative that we get some sleep tonight.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.